this for real. Read and make them believe. Every goal from a set man achieve. Stand firm, never dip on my knees. No, 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 that's how we go on.
Nation walk one. We're there on the Wednesday at Trendy Wednesdays community members. Enough love and blessings. It is quite early on the Wednesday. Looking at the time right now, it is 4:49. 1 minute away from 5 o'clock in the morning. Conversation go boring. Oh, I almost forgot now. I told myself whenever I drop one of these early morning reports, I will be playing the Charlie Blacks.
Morning. Get up out that bumbo club, bud.
Wanna do this for real.
Still with there once again with the ENT news, the topics, the updates. The song that you're hearing though, the visuals that you are seeing. It is the official music video for the song titled Go Hard by Idonia and the DJ.
Read and make them believe. Every goal from a set man achieve. Stand firm, never dip on my knees. No, 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 that's how we go on. Go on.
Yes, nation, a bit of motivation to kickstart the morning. But let us get to the topics. Holness blames PNP for poor states of road. Yes, nation, hear that clear. Holness blames the People's National Party for poor state of nation's roads. Golden rejects claim. Nation, this one is courtesy of Nationwide FM. Prime Minister Holness has laid the blame for the poor state of the country's road infrastructure squarely at the feet of the People's National Party. Holness told the House of Representatives on Tuesday that the roads are a result of climate change under the previous PNP governments. Meanwhile, opposition leader Mark Golding challenged Prime Minister Andrew Holness that the People's National Party and the climate change are to be blamed for the state of the country's roads.
So this for real dog, they nice street hard. Sweat on my brows and my must get my reward. Me in a bank I sir, take my key card. It to you that fi make it win a retard.
Nation, before I reach any further, I just remembered something. In the following report that I'm going to share shortly after this one, you will hear us say Vybz Tuesday. Just know that that report was done last night. Just I deal with a little small thing with YouTube pertaining to what's in the video.
So this for real dog, they nice street hard. Sweat on my brows and my must get my reward. Me in a bank I sir, take my key card. It to you that fi make it win a retard.
Most of the community members are supposed to familiar with Kemar by now, as I've shared this story in previous videos.
Good evening, Shanice.
Good evening.
You know, you look very nice.
Thank you.
Right now, remember this, I tell them, we can talk loud for you?
Yeah.
We can talk loud, yeah?
Yeah.
And by now, most of you are supposed to be familiar with Shanice, also known as Pretty Attitude.
See Jenna, yeah? Guess who now? I see next Jenna, yeah? I Jenna that from Uncle say she Jenna, nobody else can say that.
But ever since sharing that video on social media, lot of social media users took interest in Kemar, and they have been asking for regular updates. Shani's been a try play her part though. The two were live on TikTok with two others. One of the TikTokers asked Kemar a question, and his response caused Dabby to say, "He mad for true. Kemar is mad for true, 100%. Nation, check out the video and tell me if you agree with Abby."
Kemar,
Yeah?
you feel like Pretty love you for true? She love you for true?
Me say if you ever tell them no,
Honestly?
watch.
Yeah.
I feel like
honestly.
some, honestly, I'm telling you what I'm get the phone. I feel like Pretty is a girl who used to love a youth that just love fame, and him teach her about vanity and royalty is the wrong way. It makes you love like security instead of being secure. And you know, fame is a thing that will damage you, because if you don't understand what is the thing inside of your hand, you're not gonna understand the value of it really. And reality is not just being technical, but being reality is not just being technical, but being fear. That's fear. That's all. But Pretty right now, she just say she love me. Pretty see somebody right now who she like their own, and I guess I just that I'm just get a good. I'm lucky enough for their own. I can tell her I like her, and she just not look well. It's a girl where she kind, but I don't believe say she love me. I just believe say she's loving towards people, right? That's what I believe. I believe she's loving towards people. I'm just get a jovial, down to earth nature from her. Her mannerism is nice. Her mannerism is nice, but for say the girl would have sacrificed me every day and go beg it back. For say she would have give me on the first night and then send me out and then come back again. For say she would have.
Do state your thoughts on that, so moving on.
See Beanie there? What? Senorita, what? Yeah. Drinks chunks, what? King, come in, money. Come in. New Maserati I go buy. The truck there Jamaica, I buy Jet Top now. And the viral king and the dancehall king. Come in, money. Come in, money.
While Foota was on live reviewing Dever Brat's recent song titled West Was One, Dever Brat Part 1. In a that song nation, Dever Brat had this Vybz Kartel Shan Storm, the entire Gaza, even man we an artist Matt Sus, even he got this.
Me once I go out a riding past stallion with me chrome pistol that shine like medallion. The first man me sight a black rhino and him ran me game. Pines in a foot him face strap into the pig pan. Put one in I made and continue the mission.
Hear me I talk about Matt Sus, even Black Rhino, who left the Gaza so many years ago. Even he got this.
Wait, me the door push, no pram push, no mad dog mad sus. Papa off him pistol and shot himself in him foot. Should allow the badness go on the country go and go chop bush. The sheriff
Selector Foota Hype while reviewing the song. He took time out to call out Shan Storm. As a matter of fact, it wasn't just call out. Foota Hype deal with Shan Storm a type of way. I'm here wondering if Foota Hype have some kind of secret for Shan Storm. Foota Hype while stating that Shan Storm need to answer Dever Brat. Here's what Foota Hype had to say.
The man them afraid of Dever Brat, Reggie. Right now, me not think you're afraid of nobody. Right now, me feel say you have more courage than Shan Storm. From today, Shan Storm a waste man. Shan Storm a idiot. That's why I'm not in a blood clot career. Fraidy and coward no pussy hole. But you want to chat to me, see I'm licking your face, Shan Storm. Blood clot here, but you gonna sing song. You know me a bad people, pussy. Suck your mama. This year. Now you can go sing song. Suck your mama, Shan Storm. You're a coward, you're a pussy. You're a waste man. Bumblehole. You know, so you're a DJ, batty boy. So you're not blood clot answer Dever Brat. Pussy. But you want the song for Foota. Go suck your mother, Shan Storm. Badness back of that. Ring out your mama. Yeah, straight. Zine? Oh, you run go sing song for me. And Dever this year, sir. And you not say nothing and go like you're a bad man. You want to look a bitch. You want to look a batty girl. Pussy. Right now. Me know say you're not coward. Right now, me know say you're not coward. Right now, me know say you're not coward. So what you tell me say? Gaza baddest thing or not one of them art. Alright, them say Dever Brat not in a career. Shan Storm not in a career neither. So them level. So Shan now defend this. Shan a year level this then. Alright. Say on a Kartel level. Kartel a giant. Shan Storm you can't say another giant or you're bigger than Dever Brat. What you say? Me not understand. What you say, Shan? Me not understand. Shan Storm, you're down bigger than Dever Brat. So all the man a diss you, the man a diss you and your boss how much song, and you can't say nothing. But you want to chat to bad man like me. When me a real bad man, you know that. Put music one side, me a bad boy. Me will see a lick in your face. I run me knife through you know that. And you run go and do song, but your style Foota eye. Like you come from jail and lose your memory. So me a wicked man. I'm not afraid of no pussy. But you're afraid for answer Dever. Let me tell you from a day now. Say any answer Dever but this your pussy. I want to hear. Where you go to walk on every day? Shan Storm, most loyal. Shan Storm, that can put food on your table. That can make you get bookings. That can make you do dub plate. Oh, me a most loyal. Me the 13 year for Kartel. Oh, me a most loyal. And me a most loyal. And me that a gonna make you feed your pitney. That a gonna make you fix your mother eye batty boy. That a gonna make you take care of your mother big full bleach out lizard looking pussy. You don't have no ambition. Pussy wall. What this na bumbuckler? You run go and do song for Foota hype and I know you can't answer Deva, bro. Oh, that makes sense. Foota not even artist. But you run go and do song for Foota hype. You run go and do song for Foota hype. But you can't adjust Deva at all now. People, no matter tune you see sometime on the internet, me love certain things. Shan stand the man and a bad man for me. Which part? When? Which life? Even before them go to prison, which part? Who me afraid of? Who could have dissed me? Who could have violated me? Who could have run me away? Which one of them? Now make them come from prison and a trick on you. Chance man and a body. Chance can't bad me up. Chance a pussy on the back of field. Suck him mama. If you want to go real badness, Shan and a body, she go sing like a song and a throw like a word pussy. You know me we see and kick you down, dog. When you know I am mighty, you know couldn't ramp with me much less now. So I don't know where you come and go on. I'm a lawyer. You sing a little song, I'm a lawyer. But you know say a big pussy. Look how they ever deal with you. And you can't even answer. You can't even do a song. And you come ramp with me. And you know me a real bad man. I want you. So you come go on like. You work what you have to do. You know want to do, but you want to style me. And you know say me a bad people. You know me a bad people. The whole I don't know. From Kartel to everybody in Gaza know me a bad boy. For real. I don't know P. Diddy. Me a bad people. I easy myself. You run go and do song. I know you get real challenge. You know want blood clot the real challenge. About 6 songs this never back gone. And you can't answer nothing. But you run the next day and sing song about me. And you know say me want this your pussy. So where you come go like? When you ever tough like me in the road? When? Which point of your dream? I want to you, man. I want to you, youth. Answer bumbuckler never better build a career for yourself. You're non-ambitious pussy hole. You don't have no ambition at all. Kartel not even figure your orders figure answer. You figure vice, my youth. I make Kartel hear song and road a different thing. What you plan to do? Get up and beg Kartel money every day? You plan to get up and Kartel buy your vehicle every day? So all you want close to a Kartel or buy your clothes and them something? Eh? Tell me now. You know why your own career? You know why you own a song them? You know why you own a money and you own a entourage and you own a team? While you still represent Gaza. You know no ambition, my you. And you want this done. You want this general like me. You want this general like me. And you want to look a waste man. Blood clot there. Answer the music and build song and turn up your talent and stop move like a little bitch. Come and trace like bitch. With Foota hype. Why you want to trace with Foota hype? Foota hype a selector. Foota hype a blogger. When you say me a waste man. Where you do song and answer me for? Where you do song and answer me for? Go answer blood clot never brat. I make the two of you go at it. And build a career. And get 2 songs and something. You just there going like one little fella backer. You just going like a big waste man. Don't tell Lisa hyper move better in she drop song. And I try find it and thing. You just there like an idiot. And I go like you're a bad man. When they go past stage, I boo people for boo you. I sing bo any man violate Gaza. You not do nothing, man. Bumbuckler. Waste man. Weak him weak, man. Disappointing no bumbuckler. You have to shame of yourself, my youth. All when you look in the mirror, if you just say, John, oh God. And just go in the kitchen and take your rat pies and boil it out in some tea and drink it and go dead. And make the whole bumbuckler Gaza happy because them not like you, you know. Them not like you, you know. You know want your own career. You know want some song for yourself. So you can get show for yourself. All of them a new name for loyalty. Shan Sam, new name for loyalty. That not work. That not work. That not work. They were brought this year. Every song him going on this year. Bumbuckler, the man up. This but never brought your pussy wall. But you want this Foota hype and you know you can't ramp with me. Me can stay right here saying I'm car. Right here so. And show you say you no bother me none at all. Me can sit down here saying I'm car. Right now. And show you say me tough on you. A Jamaica. But you're ready for this. Me I say music, lowing. But me think you're hot for everybody. Me think you're hot for anybody rise against the Gaza. What Foota alone you're hot for? A Foota hype you're hot for? Actually, factually, me tell you something I got this year. Every time I come on a live and I talk about Gaza, Shan, me I got this year.
After that, Foota hype went on to talk about Vybz Kartel and Busy Signal, sharing a small piece of history while trying to prove that Busy Signal is Vybz Kartel's true enemy.
Him and Busy do song what they remember Busy a general youth, Kartel a general youth. General do want the song, so them do the song. Kartel not like Busy Signal none at all. When you watch Scratchy B interview with 2 Lakhs, you know hear him say after Kartel cut him off a Busy, him go work with. I don't know them a beef, you know. And me a tell you know, from long time, I tell you upon Gaza uncle interview, say, it's not Mavado a Kartel rival, you know. A Busy Signal Kartel have a real problem with you. Long time I tell you that I want to just feel like Foota love chatter him no sense, you know. Long time I tell you that, you know. How long me I tell you that? For the whole 13 years Kartel they prison me I tell you that. A Busy Signal make them change the name of over Portmore from Borderline to Gaza. I want to do hear what me I say. Do how long me I tell you that? How long? But you just feel like say, okay, Foota is Mavado friend and him did not lie and so him just me no come and yes I come tell lie and chat fuckery. Me no need to do that. Me no have to chase clout, you know. I am clout. And me are the clout, you know, see, and me people repost, and me people try trace for people look upon them, and me people that. Alright. If I wasn't the epiphany of what clout is, oh, every time the fix do an interview, my name call, every single time, and me and them are a friend. Whether them are interview all its artists, or them are interview new artists, or them are interview artists when me and them are a friend. Them have to deliberately tell them not ask about Foota hype like how Kartel tell them say, me don't want to chat nothing about Foota hype. So how me fi chase clout? Me can't chase clout. I am the clout. And me a clout. You understand? Me no want to be nobody role model. Me a no role model, me a God model. Me not playing a role. I am who I am. I am the real thing. So me a no role model. You know what role mean? You play a character. Actors have different role. Me not act. And me this for real. Where you see what you get. And me this. I general this. I straight nation boss this. Me can't change. Me a 1 cent. Me can't change. Me no play a role. Me no role model. Me a God model. Alright, you go get black now. If me want embarrassment, oh, you over here, I follow me and I comment on my page. Well, a black. Cause you is a disgrace. Cause if me is an embarrassment and you over here follow me and I give me your time a day over here, so me an embarrassment and you a disgrace. So you have to get black. Me an embarrassment, but you over here watch me. And I comment and I try to talk to me. Then you know disgrace, man. You know disgrace on my page. Want to say yellow man I got this me? Yellow man I'm a bridging man. Yellow man good. Me never promise yellow man ever yet say me not go deal with Beanie Man. And me never promise Beanie Man yet say me not go ever deal with yellow. And me never promise none of them say me not go ever deal with Kartel. Them have a king war go on. And me give my opinion on the king thing. And me still all what me say. But if them want to say me the biggest selector, it no matter. Me are the most relevant even person. Not even selector. Me are the most relevant person. More relevant more than even artist. I mean, I know toot me, I toot my own, and it's just reality. Foota is very relevant. Very, very relevant. Vybz and Kartel have a, this look like a never-ending feud. And it's so weird that people don't know. Because Vybz is not a man where chat and lip up and Kartel no want nobody know say him and Vybz no good. Because him no want everybody start pay attention to him and Vybz now. But a long time, even before Mavado and Kartel go off. As a matter of fact, I'm going to give you a piece of history. One of the reasons why Mavado and Kartel become rival is because Kartel and Vybz never good. Because Kartel and Vybz never good, help lead to Mavado and Kartel not good. When you never hear Mavado say, our cast the Vex Vybz, me and Vybz rise and buy 2x5. You don't listen to lyrics, you know. You don't listen. And somehow, you know, When you listen to history, I want to hear about history. Me a history because me did dead. Me did dead. So if you understand them thing. So you must always remember there is more to things than when you hear on the internet. Because remember when them things happen on the internet not there. You understand me I say? When them things happen on the history not there. So Mavado is not Kartel problem. I do one is not Kartel problem. None of them are not really Kartel problem. Kartel biggest problem is busy signal. Yeah, I agree with that follower, you know. Most of Kartel male followers, they move like Batman for you. The way them trace and go on for Kartel, them not allow a girl to even trace for Kartel. You know, would even allow a woman to trace for Kartel. You know, act like when somebody says something about Kartel, you know, tamp and squeeze, you know. You know, act like when somebody, sometimes people don't even chat nothing fake, a real thing where I chat. And when the tampon start squeezing, you know, when the menstrual come same time, you know, some male bitch. Me never see so much man trace for a man yet. Me see man a lot trace me and say me a mad over my baby mother, while him a mad over Kartel. Me never... Yo, me never know. Woulda live to see in a life. A man a cuss an ex-man. Say him a mad over one woman when breed. But the man they we a cuss him and a mad over a man. Me never see that yet. Sometimes I think about it, me have to laugh to pussy clad. You are gonna say you diss me by saying me a mad over my baby mother. My 18-year-old son mother. Then if me didn't even do that, nothing would do wrong. While you're mad over a man. You're mad over a man, you're mad for power with a man, you're mad for a man acknowledge you. And you are cause a man we are mad over a girl. Mighty God. Mighty God of Daniel. Mighty God. Me never see that yet. Me rather mad over a woman. Me we mad over a woman. Me alright with that. Me rather mad over a woman. Me no have no problem if somebody say me I'm mad over one woman. But if you know say you are mad over one man.
Nation, do share your thoughts on that. Just before we go, remember to check out the upcoming report shortly after this one. It will be quite interesting. The entertainment feed community. That right for now. You see what time o'clock. You see what time o'clock. We hurry and get the car here. And as usual, my people.